I've been using these also nearly 2 years now. In my family, I have a son who's small, who's young, so we use I've taken those that Sudarshan and the other oils for cough, cold. He suffers from pollution related childhood asthma and all, Novia and Dehradun. So, but then anytime he has this congestion or anything, so you apply it and it's like kind of magic.